Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm and Farm. Suppose we purchased Nebivolol, which is an active pharmaceutical ingredient from a supplier A. Mean Nebivolol from supplier A has SA value 100%. And when we purchased same active pharmaceutical ingredient Nebivolol from supplier or manufacturer B, its SA value is 95%. We want to manufacture a batch size of 5 lakh tablets of Nebivolol. So how much quantity of API will be required? As we know that SA limit for most of the cases is 90 to 110%, or it is 95 to 105%. So if we take active pharmaceutical ingredient from supplier A, which has SA limit as 100%, we do not need any adjustment because it is already 100%, and we will use 5 lakh tablets and 5 milligram API for each tablet. Then the value will be 2.5 kilogram of Nebivolol for 5 lakh tablets if our potency is 100%, or if our SA value is 100%. But what we will do if our SA value is not 100%, it's less than 100%, and it is 95%. First of all, we will adjust our API potency and make it 100% to ensure its quality. How we will perform this calculation? So it is a very simple and basic calculation, and every one of us must be familiar about it. If you want to learn details of SA calculation, how to remove the factor value or how to calculate the factor value, the link of video is given in description. Here we will only discuss the potency adjustment. So as we discussed earlier, for 100% we need 2.5 kilograms of Nebivolol. But if our supplier is changed, mean our manufacturer is changed, and its SA value is 95%, then how we will adjust it? Suppose for SA value 95% and we have quantity of 2.5 kilogram. Now we will adjust this 95% to the 100%. For this we will use unit rule. For 1%, 2.5 over 95, and we want to make it 100%. So 2.5 divided by 95 into 100, and the answer will be 2.632. Mean we have adjusted the value of our API from 95% to the 100% value. Mean when our SA value is 95%, we will use more API. Mean we will adjust our active pharmaceutical ingredient according to its SA value, and the value after adjustment will be 2.632 kilogram. And when the value was 100%, or when the SA was 100%, we use 2.5 kilogram. So it was basic calculation about the potency adjustment. Mean whenever you find the SA value less than 100%, we always adjust it for the 100%, and the formula is very simple. For easy remembrance, we divide our actual value of API with the provided SA value and multiply it with the 100. So the answer will be 2.632. I hope now you are familiar with this basic calculation. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment box. I have also provided the link of article on the essay calculation in the description box. Must read the article and subscribe my channel. If you like the video, share it to others, and till the next video, Allah Hafiz.